Hey everyone, welcome back to FitWell Hub. I'm Reza, and today we've got a fantastic topic lined up for you: mastering meal prep, a beginner's guide. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed in the kitchen or constantly ordering takeout, this video is for you. We'll be breaking down the basics of meal prepping and sharing some tips to make it a breeze. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious content. Now, let's get started. Section 1: Understanding the basics of meal prep. Meal prep can be a game changer when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle and saving time during the week. So, where do you begin? First things first, let's talk about the basics. What are your nutritional goals, and how can meal prep help you achieve them? Planning is key, and we'll guide you through creating a meal plan that suits your needs and preferences. Let's roll into our first tip. Tip 1: Plan your meals. One of the secrets to successful meal prep is planning your meals in advance. Take some time to think about your favorite recipes, ensuring they are balanced with proteins, carbs, and fats. This not only keeps your meals nutritious but also adds variety to your diet. Consider creating a weekly meal plan that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Section 2: Essential tools for meal prep. Now that you've got your plan, it's time to gather the right tools for the job. Having the proper kitchen equipment can make the meal prep process smoother and more efficient. Let's explore the essential tools every beginner should have. Tip 2: Invest in quality containers. Investing in good quality meal prep containers is a game changer. Opt for containers that are durable, microwave safe, and have compartments to keep different food items separate. This not only helps with portion control but also keeps your meals fresh throughout the week. Section 3: Time-saving techniques. We get it, life can be busy, and finding time to meal prep might seem challenging. But fear not. We've got some time-saving techniques that will have you prepping like a pro in no time. Tip 3: Batch cooking. Batch cooking is a meal prepper's best friend. Pick a day in the week when you have some extra time and prepare large quantities of your favorite recipes. This way, you'll have ready-made meals for the entire week, cutting down on daily cooking time and ensuring you always have a healthy option on hand. And there you have it, our beginner's guide to mastering meal prep. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone looking to eat healthier, meal prep can make a world of difference. Remember to start small, find what works for you, and gradually build up to more elaborate plans. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends who could use some meal prep inspiration. Now, go forth and conquer the kitchen. Thanks for joining us here on FitWell Hub. Until next time, happy prepping. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to check out our other content for more tips, recipes, and kitchen inspiration. Subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment below letting us know your favorite meal prep hack. Until next time, take care and happy cooking.